Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What's the difference between critical point and triple point? Critical point is where saturated liquid and saturated vapor are identical, so it's the point where they meet. And triple point is where the free phases of a pure substance coexist in equilibrium. So words don't do justice, so what we're going to do is show you via a graph. Okay, so critical point is where saturated liquid and saturated vapor, it's where they kind of blend in, and it's just about when saturated liquid becomes saturated vapor. And of course, triple point is this point in the middle. It's where you've got your solid, liquid, and gas are all in the same point. So we've got sublimation, melting from freezing, and vaporization all happening. So that is the triple point. So that is the intersection where two or more of these actions are happening. So, for example, if we're going from melting to vaporization or sublimation and melting. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. So first, click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Until next time, see ya.